Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's morning report on Monday the 11th of May with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's have a look at cable now. And cable has obviously been engaged in this big rally on Friday with that UK general election result, with the Tories coming into power. Market likes a strong government. The Tories are market positive as well, so bullish for the market generally speaking, more pro-business, pro-market, etc., etc. So positive reaction on sterling. Today we've seen a bit of a slide slightly in cable, down 50 pips at the moment, unwinding some of that move. Sorry, what I've just shown you here is this pull back towards the underside of that old uptrend, which actually came intact. Now what we have got is this that was the sharp move on Friday, and then we've just been consolidating around here. I mean, the payrolls report actually gave us around about 100, almost 100 pips of range within an hour, and then since then we've basically been within that 100 pip range pretty much. So you're still trading around that payrolls fluctuation. You've got the low at 53.50 in place, and then that just comes up above the 52.90 support. A couple of lows there. But what I will show you here, this is on the daily chart. You've got this prospect of a long-term, and I say long-term because it is almost 5 months now coming up to, of potential base pattern. You've got this left-hand shoulder, big head, and a potentially quick right-hand shoulder of a base pattern on cable. Now that is coming underneath obviously that 55.50 key resistance, and that is the big level overhead, and if you start to see cable trading through that and confirming a move through that, you're looking far more positively on pretty much all time scales. Now, the momentum indicators, more positive again. The RSI has improved again. MACD lines look positive. Stochastics also look positive. So it looks as though the bulls are still hanging on to this potential big base pattern. We have got this consolidation going on at the moment, arguably since the payrolls data. You've seen a high left at 54.75, and you're trading between that and the low at 53.50. So 120 pips worth of consolidation now. And you're not really seeing a great deal of direction today. Yes, you've got a bit of a drift, but look at the hourly momentum indicators, all pretty much still either neutral or positive. So it's not looking bad in any way at all. So you would almost argue that this dip in cable is potentially even going to be seen as a buying opportunity. So just bear all that in mind, because it certainly looks at the moment that sterling is taking a bit of a boost from that UK election victory, and it certainly looks as though the sterling remains fairly positive through that, and the dollar strengthening, although yes, has dragged about 50-60 pips back today, it doesn't look as though necessarily it's yet going to make too much of a dent on the positive outlook on cable. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.